I need to go to the other side and teleport home. There's so many echoes in the area. I remember when they were kind of rare. I was like, where the hell are they all at? I ended up looking on top of a building and there was like 70 million echoes there. It just looked like one like bright ball just on top of this thing. It was actually over here. It was like right on top of that building. And when we get like all set up with like how our farm runs and everything else, we'll collect food up and we'll make sure that there's that. What was I mixing you guys with? Dervish. I was definitely mixing you guys with Dervish. Oh, you guys look silly. I love it. And then we'll do mosaic honeys, which go in this one. Oh, look at you guys. Oh no, don't do that. There we go. Yay. Dervish Quantums. Alright, now that everything's good to go, I'll collect these up. I'll move some things around. Actually, I don't think I'll keep the incinerator. Like, I'll probably like let it go for a bit longer. And I'll collect the fire plorts for it, and I'll throw them in my thing just in case, but I really don't like it there. Like, I don't like the incinerators in general. Like, the fire slimes are cute and everything, but oh, they're kind of a mess to keep up with. Especially if you put like 6 in one incinerator, you're gonna have to be like constantly filling it. Oh, that's not mangoes at all. Alright. Did I mess up? I messed up. My quantums. They weren't supposed to be there. Because Dervish is a fruit eater. And Quantum's a fruit eater. And that means I have 2 fucking... Whatever. It'll work for now. It'll give me my plorts. The problem with that is that we still have the Tingles. And Tingles are a meat eater. And they have to be mixed with the fruit. Otherwise, I won't be able to feed them. What else am I missing? Hold on. I feel like I'm missing a couple. The saber, it's fine though. Saber's gonna go with phosphorus. They're kind of like my favorite mix right now. Saber's not like until late game anyway, so it's kind of like a side quest type thing, and then you could just bring it back and grab the sabers. Yeah, this is a little bit of a mess. So I'll split you guys up, and then one of you will get hunters and the other will tangle. I think the last time I mixed my dervish with my tangle, and that'll be fine. Oh, I was collecting fruit. I forgot. I'm trying to think of like 10,000 things at once, and it's just not working, you know? I have that problem. Alright. So much fruit, Jesus. Well, if those chickens would breed faster, I could, you know, show you guys stuff, but right now I need to take care of my place. Actually, I need to check on the chickens anyway. Oh, they made another rooster. Ah, and you turned elder. You're useless. Elders are useless because it's basically like an old chicken. It's nobody's favorite. It can't even reproduce, so it's just garbage. Like me. I'm garbage. Alright. A couple more rounds of this. I'll probably get rid of those trees if I'm completely honest. I have no clue what to do with that area. I've always had like extra room. I don't know why. My veg eaters will probably go into the caves just so that they're taken care of. And then we'll put the thing somewhere nearby. Did you guys make more plorts? No? Okay, good. Bunch of trash. I wonder what happens if I shove them into a pond. I'm a really mean person. Well, at least we're good on mangoes. To be honest, I'll probably need like 60, 70 chickens because of the tabby gordos. Because there's a couple of them. It's kind of like common. There's the one guarding Two Ring Island, and then there's one by the bridges leading out to the moss blanket. I have one extra. Here you go, guys. Nice. Yeah, feeding the ones in the air, pretty easy. Like, you just wait for them to jump and then you just fire! Sorry, my friends, but this needs to go. And I'll probably put the coop up here. Nope, not the coop, the corral. As I forget everything. No solar shield. Alright. Demolish. Like I said, this has always been kind of like an extra area for me. I don't really need it. Did I demolish that other plot, or did I just get rid of its... Okay, I did demolish it. Alright. Actually, I'll need a silo. Asylum. No. Silo. Purchase. Aww. Sad face. Yeah, when we get like late game and we get like drones and stuff, it'll be kind of simple. I need to make sure you guys are fed. I haven't been doing that. I'll probably move the veggies into the back area here soon, and then I'll kind of adjust for it. That's done. Do you guys have food? Kind of. Yeah, come here, guys. Hi, friend. Okay, so this is kind of jank because you can kind of not get them through, but if you kind of jump, you can. It's really strange. Throw you guys in there. My veg eaters will go in there. If you splash them with water, they'll just kind of quit whatever powers they have. So if you're not quite sure if a quantum's a quantum, you could just splash them all with water and all of their stuff will go away. Same with mosaics, all of their sparkles will go away. Friends? Friends, please. See, this is my favorite part of the caves, because if they escape, that's a really tight area to squeeze through. You're not escaping very well. Oh, you're hungry. That's okay. It's almost feeding time anyway. You guys will get extra fed here soon and be made sure that everything goes. So, with the Casey's letters and everything, they always come on like certain days. So here on the evening of day 13, you'll probably always get the letter that I have. And yeah, it's just kind of all pre-planned and everything. Sorry, that weird warbling is just kind of, but I just realized it's not. Did I really just, what the hell? Yoink. Alright, so our last fruit eater will probably go into that empty cage right there. And our rad booms will come with me and hopefully not blow up. Love the green eyes, guys. It's always fun to be here. And now I gotta kind of chill out with the radiation before I die. Luckily, it goes down really quick after a while. See? Come here, friends. I wonder, did I pop the Rad Gordo? Because that one's pretty awesome to pop. I don't think I did. I think that's just mine. And we continue. See, if I were to wait 15 seconds, I would definitely be poisoned. And I'd definitely start taking health. So if you want to try any of the achievements, you have to have like all of the heart modules before you try them. I at least suggest it. Oh, you little shit. Plorting on the ground like a monster. I thought that one escaped for a minute. I was like, wait. Alright, come here. You're my last guy. And then I'll clean out your cages and... Oh, get in there. There we are. Yeah. So with my booms, I only have 5 booms. Only 5 booms. For a very good reason. Because if I have any more, I feel like I'm overwhelmed. And it's a higher probability of them escaping and... It's just a mess. Do 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 do. Alright. Here's your veg. Trust me, those 4 gardens in the laboratory are more than enough for both of those. I'm literally 1 short, Lord. My throat's starting to hurt. I haven't done this in a while, guys. My water. Ah. What time is it? Oh, it's only 1. Alright. Time to empty out this one. There's a reason I'm like throwing them on the ground and everything. It's a lot easier to pick it up off the ground than it is to make sure that I grab like 1 heartbeat from the thing. It's easier to make a mess and clean it up here than it is to be precise. Hi friends. Need to change you. So I'll probably put saber phosphorus in this one. So I need the solar shield. But I'm gonna keep this one for my Tangled Dervish. Because tangles are a nightmare. And if you really want the most dangerous combination on your ranch, you'll make a quantum tangle, because that is the most dangerous combination. Because tangles, like I said, can grab stuff outside their corral, but quantums can teleport outside corrals. So if I put like a tangle in here, obviously you'll be able to reach in here. But if I put a quantum tangle here, it could teleport outside, run over here, and then grab whatever's in it. It's a nightmare. Lord. And that's what my brother did. He's like, oh, I'm just gonna make the world's most dangerous combination. It's like, Riley, why? He's like, because... well, I don't have to worry about food. I should probably throw those fire slimes into the lab once I get back. Here you go, guys. Oh, hey, just enough. It's a miracle. Here soon, if we got enough, you know, plorts and money, I'll probably start spamming the Z rewards, but I'll probably need like upwards of like 10,000 just to kind of do like a small spammage. Here you go, guys. Make sure. Oops. Alright, so I did empty that out. There's that. All veggies will go in here from now on. Oh, I don't have anything, so whatever. I'm just kind of getting it set up for like the drones and everything late game, so. But first I need, you know, money. That seems to be like the biggest thing you can get is like the money. Ugh. Like Z rewards needs money. You need money for blueprints. But at this point it's just like, oh, let's just kind of get it all set up and then we'll see from there. So once we get food done, we'll check on everyone and sell some stuff and see if we have enough for actually... Should I buy the drone recipe? Nah, I probably need the extractors more right now. Yeah, let's get the extractors going and then we'll do whatever needs to be done. But for now, I just kind of need to get my food up. At least my Mendigos are good to go. I only have 4 of them, which kind of surprises me. That it's able to hold all those people. Because, like, I understand pogo fruit. It grows the fastest, it's favored by no one, but it holds them. But Mendigos, mangoes, the mint mangoes, the mint mandigos, are actually supporting everybody that I need, so that's kind of shocking, and also kind of reassuring, because I wasn't sure if they, like, changed the timing or anything, because they changed a lot since I started playing, because I played it when it, like, first came out to early access and everything. It was pretty great. Like, the farms here, they'll grow fruit for food forever as long as you don't, like, destroy the crops. But before, it was like it gave you like 3 harvests before it disappeared, and you'd have to go around and replant. And if you didn't, like, time it all correctly, it was like a nightmare. Thanks, Bae. I never knew you felt that way. I picture you out there on the safari, avoiding the clutches of lions on the savannah, riding elephants across raging rivers, and then as you sit under the stars at night, your weathered hand opens up a locket and there's a picture of me inside. And then your loyal chimpanzee gives you a somber, knowing look. Is that accurate? Haha. Well, for what it's worth, I missed you too when I was in LA. Ugh, that bar was just awful, but at least I got some stage time. Casey. P.S. The chimp's name was oh, fuck. Colonial? Colonial? Bananas. His name was Bananas. But every time I see that, it's just Colonial. Like, I never learned how to pronounce that. Like, Commander? Who knows? Return to ranch. Chickens! Alright. 2 of those. The stony chick. 2 of those. Roostro can go to... Do we have hunters? Did I get rid of all my hunter plorts? Oh, I'm so angry. I am so angry right now. Take it. Hunter plorts are one of the hardest if you don't know where to look. And gods, I'm such an idiot. Ah! Alright, let's start throwing plorts into the thing. Unless I was going for money. Let's go throw some plorts into the thing. Actually, I need another set before I do that. Oh, yes. I will forever need pinks. Forever. My brother just made a ball pit of pinks and just fed it his extras, which actually I probably need to do, but whatever. Oh, I forgot. There's like an extra like thing over here, which I'm probably gonna put another silo, but like I said, I don't have money. I'm broke. Yay! Trust me, I would. We won't need, like, quantums or dervish, so I'll probably sell them. But we will need, like, rocks and crystals, as far as I know. So let me sell the quantums and dervish, because I know I won't need any of that until late game. Alright. Same with mosaic. I could sell mosaic right now. But I will need honey. Honey, honey. God, my elbow's so itchy. Ah. Mosaics. Yeah. There we are. I can make one drill, one pump, and no apiary because I actually don't have phosphorus, and I forgot that was a requirement. I'll probably go out and get like some phosphorus tonight. It's like noon now, but sorry, my elbow was just annoying as fuck. We'll get some phosphorus tonight, set it up. Oh my god, my elbow. I think something bit it in the night. Like a rogue mosquito or something, because it's itchy as hell. I'm grabbing some lotion. Rub it on. And it's just regular lotion. It's not like anti-itch lotion, which I probably should buy, but I'll do that when I get off work. Ugh. I think it's my seat. My seat is cloth and it's been through hell lately. So it probably has God knows what on it and I'm probably reacting to it. So we'll put my phosphorus in there, but we'll get it ready. Hey, what are you doing? Rogue mango. Okay, I still have heartbeats in here, but I don't really care about that right now. My elder hen. Come in here. Actually, well, actually, this is actually producing really well. It's like fairly close to how the pogo fruit produces. So if I get rid of one, it might be okay. Might. But I kind of don't want to risk it, so I might set the dock up for mangoes, which should be fine. That is, if I ever get the dock. Anyway, I'll show you the dock here in a second. I'm just trying to get the food situation taken care of. Which I think it's more than taken care of right now, but still. Anyway, over here's the dock. As you can see, there's the force field. And it is 5,000, which actually isn't bad. There's a natural pool of water in there, and it's really good for housing puddle slimes. Which usually is what I do, is I throw a bunch of puddle slimes down there. Puddle slimes are shy. You can only have 3 or 4 in there at a time. Any more and they won't produce, but with me, I'll collect as many as I can and just shove them into the one pond to see how many I can get. It's pretty great. do 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 do. Now, since we'll only have like 2 drones to each area, we'll be kind of limited on what we can do. Like, we'll have to refill the silos ourselves. But we can have 1 drone fill the areas with fruit, and the other one to sell the plorts, so that's cool. Yeah. I keep talking about drones in late game, but I'm just really, really excited because, like, drones weren't a thing not too long ago. Like, everything's done by hand. You had to sell, you had to collect, you had to do everything yourself. And then drones came along, I'm like, hell yeah. Like, I don't care that there's a limit, I just care that I can set it up to where it's practically automatic, and all I have to do is make sure that the silos are filled. Like, I can do that. Which is kind of why I set it up the way it is. Of course, drones won't work indefinitely. It's not like a all-purpose thing. Literally, they'll last like 1 day and then you'll have to refill them. Treasure cracker! Treasure cracker! Yeah! That's only Mark 1, but that's okay. That's better than... we didn't have any. So drones can't go indefinitely. They'll only last 1 day before they'll run out of power, and they run off of water, which is a very good resource and everything, and they only take 1 blorp of water. So, 1 blorp of water, and they'll go on and on and on until they need another blorp of water. It's fairly easy. Blorp, blorp, blorp. Am I missing a mango somewhere? Usually they come in groups of 15. I guess I'm not. I guess one of them died before I could get to it. Whatever. Yeah, usually with the mango trees, they'll spawn in groups of like 15. I probably needed that. Whatever. Yeah, but they'll spawn and fall in groups of 15, and they're fairly easy. Another... oh, it's an elder roostro. Aw. Alright, you got your waifus. Eat. Maybe if I raid the chickens in our overgrowth, maybe we'll be able to pop the two-ring tabby, but only if I raid the chickens in this area. There's like an infinite like number of chickens in this area as long as you get them all. Like, they'll spawn in groups. It's pretty great. Now, a lot of people like to put their tangles in this area because they can just feed off the extra chickens and stuff. To which I agree, it's a pretty good place to put your tangles, but I prefer to put literally anything else. Chicken. Chicken. I think that's all the chickens. I don't know, sometimes it's weird about its chickens. I know there's a nest right here. Haha. No, where's the nest? Chicken! 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 Fuck off. Chicken, chicken. Chicken, chicken, chicken. I know there's another nest over here. Chicken, chicken. Chicken? No chicken. But it is night, so we'll get our phosphorus if they ever spawn. They're literally suiciding. Alright. Phosphorus. I know that there's a tower up here. Well, there usually is a tower up here. And by a tower, I mean a tower slime. Heck off, man. Beep. Those rock slimes, Jesus. They just kicked the patooey out of me. Anyway, I got my chicken. Chicken. Now, normally you're supposed to like throw it from here, but I'm a bad shot, so I'm just... Hi, friend. Yay! Oh, I lost that box. Come here. Nope. There we are. Chicken. Nah. Anyway, Two Ring Island. So, basically in the distance before, you could see these two rings. There are the rings over there, and as we go around the island, we'll be able to see them closer. I keep running past these phosphorus, and I keep forgetting that I need to collect them. There are a couple puddles here. And that was a puddle port. I'm just gonna kind of wander around the island. Kind of show. Phosphorus! Phosphor! Foos! Foos! There we go. There's not much to this island, if I'm completely honest. It just kind of looks really, really nice. And it's just kind of like one big loop or whatever. Yeah, see, you'll go around here and then you'll just kind of circle back around. You're up here, we need to go this way. I'm full on water, which is good. Hi, friends. Up here. Over the bridge. Gordo! At least it's a pink. Which, I'll feed you a couple of chickens, but you'll probably reset. And then there's kind of like a little tunnel here. Leads back around to the teleporter, I think. And the, rings. But up here, we'll see kind of like a sandy area and a giant pedestal. That is a surprise later. Fun. Alright, where is the teleporter at? I think it's over here. Yeah. Yay. Here we are. And I don't need a tabby. And technically I don't need a puddle slime either. Because I don't have the thing. And I kind of need my money right now, so. Alrighty. I'm going to fill the phosphorus thing with fruit and throw my phosphors in there. They should be fine. Oh. Ew. I have so much fruit. It's amazing. I love it. Now, what I said about it being better to just kind of leave it messy, not the case when it comes to like feeding and stuff. You kind of want exact amounts. I just kind of tossed a mango over there. That's fine. Mango. Oh no, you little shit. They're hungry. I can only deal with one of you fucks at a time. Now, like I said, they're the most dangerous ones out there. Make sure they don't get into any others. Make sure they're well fed. I'll probably have to up their feeding because of this, and I don't like that. Oh, don't do it. Come here. Because it's kind of like a waste of food if you up their feeding too much. They left a mess. So usually if they're hungry and they get out, you want to feed them twice because then they go from sad to kind of happy and then kind of happy to totally happy, which is what their face is right now. Kind of makes me sad when that happens. Like, it can be avoided, but that's kind of my fault. God, my throat hurts so much. At this point, I'm just saying fuck it with, like, everything I do. I still need to get the phosphorus filled, but there we are. But if I don't get this filled, then they'll just become hungry again. Oh my god, you guys, please stop. What is over there that you want? Nothing, I promise. Ugh. You want the veg? I know you don't, because all you eat is fruit. These guys wants the veg, but that one didn't want it. Well, I can still say this is better than Skeletor. Like, I decided to record Undertale, but I was having mic problems, and this was before I got the mic I have now, and oh, it was pretty bad. I was using the mic off my camera, and I was doing a face recording as well, and some days it was some recordings it was too loud, some recordings it was too soft, some recordings you couldn't hear me at all because the music was too loud. It was a real mess. But now I've learned, hopefully. I think I might be too loud for this video, and if it keeps peaking, I'm not sure. I should not be standing this close to a sparkle. What was that I needed? Oh, I needed phosphors. for the apiary. Now, given what I said, obviously we can't put the apiary where I need it to. We can put the pump right outside our thing, and we can use the teleporter in the cave to... Why am I walking away? Oh, I also need more pinks. Yeah. But, yeah, we'll be fine. Actually, I need to put the silo over here, otherwise I'll go insane. There we are. Actually, I might buy the drone just to see what I need for it. If I'm spending money anyway. And if anything, I could be like... Yeah, I'm gonna throw heartbeats into the... Jesus. That'll probably be after I harvest these guys. Drone. I also need the pink teleporter, but for now, drone. Just to see what it needs. Because knowing me... Oh boy. So, this isn't that bad. Honey plorts we're obviously gonna get. We got our quantums going. That's fine. We're out of hunters. But we're getting there. I promise. Wild honey is gotten from apiaries is actually really common. Jellystone is the most common thing you could get from a drill. And hexacomb is the semi-common of apiaries, which is fine. We'll probably throw the apiary with the pump. That way they're kind of together. And then we'll put the drill into the indigo quarry. That way we can get the stones that we need. Here we are. Put that here. So we need like warp depots as well. That way we can like just take from here and then throw it into the warp depot and then go over to the silo in there. And Casey, please. There's a lot to do. I'm kind of overwhelmed, but that's fine. That's fine. Once I get my inventory good and... Please. I think the only thing that's bothering me right now is the storage situation. There we are. Okay, I need to put my stuff down. Alright. So, we said we were going to put it right outside the ranch into the dry reef. Which, there are a couple of spots here. So, I'm really iffy about... Alright, I forgot to make the apiary. But that's okay. I needed what, pinks? Alright. Like I said, pinks are the most needed when it comes to slime science. There we are. Now, these are set on timers, kind of like the exchanges are. So, after a while, they'll just become available to us. I'll put it over here. There's a reason I'm making them face a wall. It's so that when I go to, suck them up, I won't, like, grab a slime by accident. This is just the caves, it's not the quarry, but if we go to the very, very back and in through this tunnel, we'll hit the teleporter. Woo! And then this is usually where I put like all 6 of my drills. And this is fine since there's only one. And then once we get the teleporters up and running, we'll put like all the bases in the lab area, and it'll just become like our warp hub. Of course, we're gonna have one of the warp stations out here, but it's going to be to like the docks. I always have a warp to the docks because otherwise I'll forget. Alrighty.